Hand it over. Can I, hey, show it again.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Reviews?
Is that,
Say
how many
hi.
we got?
27.
Right on.
Hi, 27 viewers. Someone say hi back. Somebody.
Miss Walker's right here. Jen, wow.
Al, you want to know what happened here tonight?
What?
Give you the scoop for the live video.
What?
So, we conducted a traffic enforcement stop for
Alright.
various
Yeah.
violations and
All right.
things.
Damn.
Information.
All right.
It was loaded with a bullet.
Loaded gun.
Wow.
And, belongings of another person.
Alright.
And a little bit of usable methamphetamine. People arrested
Damn.
for subsequent charges.
Really?
It was some
Crazy.
narcotics indicative of sales.
Wow.
Really. Indicative.
Indicative.
Very well.
Was it the people right here?
Wanton disregard.
Was it the people in this vehicle right here? I don't want to film
No,
it.
these are police cars.
No? I saw a lady inside there, so what's
Oh,
up with
yeah,
that?
Yeah.
Is she okay?
She was part of the wonton.
Yeah. Malice aforethought.
Get her out as soon as possible, okay?
Try.
Hey, what's up for the gun is mine.
Anybody say hi back?
Yeah, let me say hi to us.
Oh.
Anybody
cool,
want to say hi?
What up, big pimp? Oh my god, he has his gun. Don't trust him. Hey, that's not nice. Jinwell, if they talking, they are lying.
Jin Wow, I'm not lying.
Jinwell, you need to be nice.
These are felons with guns.
Alright,
Hey!
tell them
Right.
6 feet away. We are 6 feet away.
No, we're not.
Kind of.
Al said you already beat ours.
Oh, she said nope.
I already had it. I already survived it, you
Yeah,
know?
see? Al's fine.
Beretta P. No, it wasn't a PX4.
Hey, little,
Nah,
little
just,
monster.
I used to have a PX4.
Strap
We
on.
did wear gloves when we originally recovered them.
No, no one has a strap on here.
Jinwao, you are very nice. I'm sure you are. You just misunderstand us a little bit.
I've been here once. You seen the video with, what's his name? Bermudez. He trying to arrest me.
Who did?
Bermudez.
Arrest Al. Why would we arrest Al?
Al's our friend. We like Al.
Yeah.
So it's,
They're always wandering the streets.
right. Well, you know,
There's someone walking there.
cool. Well, go ahead. Feel free to do whatever you gotta do, but you need to either go home or go to the grocery store, wherever you.
Can
need
I
to.
stay?
You can't stay here. No. Nope. Gotta keep moving.
But it's not mandatory.
It's mandatory lockdown. Sure it is.
I don't think it is, sir.
Oh, you can research. When we're done here, if you're still here, you're probably gonna go to jail.
Why?
I already told you.
But I'm on the sidewalk.
It doesn't matter here. California's on lockdown, bud. You can't be out here. By the time we're done, do what we gotta do. If you're still here, you're gonna go to jail.
Who did?
Bermudez.
Arrest Al. Why would we arrest Al?
Al's our friend. We like Al.
Yeah, because he said it was a curfew, you
Are
know?
they wearing a mask?
No.
Yeah.
No, not right now.
Take care, Tom Wood.
All right,
cool.
shall we?
Yes.
All right, see Al.
All right.
See Al
Keep live
next.
is fun.
Yeah, I have 1,060 subs now.
Right on, man.
You guys will be famous. All right. See, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool cops. They show me the gun. They show me the gun again, man. Yeah, you could go. You could go for 4 months back, and Bermudez is like, you're gonna go to jail if you don't go home. It's like, what about the homeless? Well, you're homeless? No, you know.
You can research. When we're done here, if you're still here, you're probably gonna go to jail.
What about the homeless? Well, you're homeless? No, you know. He's pretty cool with me too. So
Officer Ramirez is a good man.
yeah.
He's a good Christian man.
Oh, Christian.
All right, Al, you see you later, buddy.
All right.
Tell your viewers I said hello.
All right. And tell the viewers that you promised me to give me a beer and $10.
Hey, it's coming out. I swear. I'm a man of my word.
They said these cops love L. Are we friends or not? Yeah.
I think we're friends.
All right. No, they're not wearing a mask. No, they're not wearing a mask. The anarchist. Well, misunderstood. They're pretty cool. So,
Al, if you don't go, we're gonna arrest you for being outside of curfew. Al, what are you doing, man? It's Easter.
I don't have a life.
Huh?
I don't have a life.
Everybody's got a life.
Hey, you guys don't wear a mask.
Huh?
You guys don't wear a mask.
Yeah, we don't want to catch it.
No. That's why it stayed like 26 feet from people.
You just cruising the city tonight?
Yeah.
You're not going anywhere
I don't walk a lot, so I need my walking. On, on foot.
All right, man. Be safe.
All right, you too. Stay safe. Have a good one, officer. What's up? I've been busy. I've been busy. Um, back there. She has to give me a ticket and don't follow me, please. It's a nice car though, BMW. So see, they stop. Seems to be taking too away. They really save the humans. How's your night going in there? I hope I'm not shooting. You guys are on the road today. Oh, it's you. It's a cool. They don't flip them off. No, I'm not. They don't flip them off. You know what I mean? Dang hell, you're like Batman plopping out of nowhere. Yeah, it's just a traffic stop. I'm not sure. Big, so um let me check. I hope I'm not shooting. Yeah, I hope I'm not shooting either. That wouldn't be good. I guess to be a cop you don't have to read. You're in front of here. Your face line. You're everywhere. He's cool. He's pretty cool.
Following me around or what?
I'm following the sirens. This is live right here. It's live. I'm able to go live now, so people could see like real time. You wanna see this guy? This guy's a troll right here. Jose, say it.
Well, why? What's
He thinks I'm against cops, but I'm not against cops.
he thinks you're against cops?
Jose Ramirez, but he's not against cops. I'm not against cops, you know. He's like, let them do the job. Like, I'm not bothering you guys, right? I'm not bothering you guys. I'm staying far away, you know. So this is the comments of people commenting.
Let me see.
I'm telling them how cool you are, you know. I'm telling you, you're always cool with me, you know. So that's what I'm telling them. So
Yeah, it's all good.
it's just a regular traffic stop. Maybe they did something wrong. Maybe they have plates. Maybe you know, who knows? So
That was a stop sign again.
oh, get out of the one. Hey, you know the chopper don't come in after 12, right? I've been in jail, no bail out. You know, yeah, same here. Oh yeah, I'm Randall.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm finally alive.
Oh, you're live? Oh, you're live? What's up, friends? How many people are watching?
21.
21 people?
They want to make me a shirt too, you know.
Oh, Ricky Martinez. Hey, Ricky, we're waiting for you, man. We're at Randall and Cypress, man. Where you at? Where are we at? Chris? What is that? Chris?
We lost a couple.
That is a weird way to spell Chris, man.
Never can be.
All the corruption, Ricky is Randall Cypress. I really don't know. I came in a hurry.
Yeah. All right, Al, you staying good?
All right. Yeah.
All right, man. Have a good night.
You too. Wow, in Southern California, and a few small channels. On my point was to see if will bug you for 20 minutes and you got him. I see. Tom, they are alive. I'm behind. Sorry about that. The other one doing this later. You pulled him over, or was this car parked right here? Ah, come on. That's why I knew. Like I had to make a U-turn, you know. I had to. Stay safe, man. doing this later. Stop. Come on, man. Let's get him. Let's get him, man. Hit the like, man. Let's get more people in here, man. Come on. He's on a freaking roll right now, you know? And look at this red light. Just as red. What can you do about it, you know? I hope these people are not pulled over because they... Look at this! Oh! I'm being a human.
Go jump the wall again. You're good at it.
Dang, you seem mean. You don't like being filmed too bad. For them changing my tire.
Al, I want to say thank you, man.
Thank you for what?
You found my wallet the other day.
Oh yeah.
Thanks. Hey, next week when I see you,
Yeah.
what kind of beer do you want?
Anything.
What's your favorite?
Just give me like 20 of the 9% vodka ones. And that's it.
Oh, you like the little vodkas?
Yeah.
Or do you want a bottle of vodka?
Give me a big one.
All right, I can get you a bottle of vodka.
Yeah.
I can get you a bottle of vodka.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you a bottle of vodka and a nice $10 bill. I'll find
come
my wallet,
on.
man. That was cool. You turned
Come
that in.
on. So what's up with this?
So, all right. If I missed something, let me know. Hey, but this thing feels. This is a different control.
No, he gave it to me.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm not carrying one.
No, yeah, this is for your bag. Not my bag.
This is what I'm carrying. I'm carrying this right here. And then the victim,
Blah, 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 blah.
she gets it, I can call the victim. Oh,
All right.
This mustache man right here.
Mustache.
Yeah. Yeah. No, give me back my ID
Hold on, Al. Hold on.
and my beer. This guy is mustache man.
I am mustache man.
The first time I saw you with the guy with the gun, that's the first time I saw you. Hey!
I was told not to feed you, but you wanted some Fritos, and you found my wallet that one time. Free stuff
Oh,
under drink,
thank,
dude.
thank you very much. I won't bug you anymore.
The gun will bug you, but you can videotape all you want, but it's right back there for me, okay? Thank you.
147.
You can videotape all you want, but it's right back there for me, okay? Thank you.
They're passing by, so I guess it's my turn. They're passing by. Just don't hurt me.
Check it out, man. Guy had a gun with him.
What?
Felonious, man. Felonious.
Hey, he shot around.
Give me it.
He
I need it.
You thought we were kidding too, huh, Al?
Hey, he shot around. He shot a round off last week at the house over there.
Continue.
Don't play with guns, kids.
Stick the stick in the trigger well.
There you go. Want to see more? So you knocked it down.
They call me a hero.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Now you have a gun.
We'll put your name on the report.
Yeah, you're gonna get citizen.
Heck no.
What's up, Al?
What's up?
What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's up?
I'm gonna show you the gun, and you gotta go back over here.
Yeah.
Alright, come here.
You guys want to see this? Let me zoom in.
Is the light good?
Oh, dang.
Can't have that.
This is cool shit right there.
Yeah, they're fake.
They're plastic guns.
No, this one's made of metal.
Everyone, share this. Share.
That gun look real though?
Where's it at?
This gun, right here.
Heck yeah. That'll scare the shit. It'll kill the Jesus out of me.
Looks just the same as mine, right? I mean,
Let's see the difference.
not very much.
Remember pounds coming over here.
You did.
Yeah.
You're gonna get great shape.
Good, nice and clean cut.
Yeah, I know he got a hair. He shaved his face. Look at this guy. Place to be right now.
Start running.
Oh, that's kind of far. You have to go run.
What's going on there?
There's another stolen car over there.
People in there?
I would assume so.
No. No way. No way. What is it? What is it? Do a pose or something.
It's a fake gun, Al. We don't pose with BB gun.
Why are you taking his fake gun? If it's fake, he's allowed to have it. He's allowed to have it.
Huh?
He's allowed to
He
have
doesn't
it.
want it because you don't want to get in trouble for it. It was sitting on the floor of his board. He almost got shot.
Give me handcuffs on him.
Okay, copy. I'm going to put it right here by my feet.
He wants to see what it looks like from the air.
Ollie. Oh.
Put your hands high! Put your hands high, you're going to get bit by a dog! Slowly walk backwards. Go to the right. Over that way. Over that way.
There's no one in there. So they have their weapons drawn. Just making sure. Hopefully I will better get a new phone, possibly near. I will get some money. And hopefully I will get some to 1,000, that way I could go a lot easier.
108, Fontana Police. 108, you need to step out with your hands up. Any occupants in room 108?
Today was one of the busiest nights in a while.
Wait. Did I not put out a radio? Everybody was number 3 until Bobby got it.
The policy is 2 and a supervisor.
Not
What is that? We prevented like some witchcraft and.
Al, what is
oh
that?
dang.
What is that, Al?
See what I mean?
Looks like a camera.
That's a camera?
It's a warp zone.
I don't know. What's this right here?
Alrighty, guys. Great job.
Great job. Where's my root beer? Where's my iced tea?
I don't have iced tea. There's not money. What am I going to give you?
Where's my money that you robbed?
I'm not mustache man.
What the hell is he? Later, Sarge. Hey, so that's what I needed for my bike. Is that a taser?
Oh, it's a light.
It's mine now.
Oh, you can't do that.
Why not?
Hey, Al, do me a favor. Back up a little bit. You can record all you want.
All right. Here comes the John. Holy crap. Oh man. You guys hear this shit? Anybody want to meet up? Hopefully they don't shoot, man. You guys see this? Oh man. Oh wow. shit. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh shit! Hit the like.
I need you to exit the driving door with your hands up.
I was driving like this on it. It was just when I went up on that side.
It's a chase.
Get out of the vehicle with your hands up! Roll through the window! Yep. Keep your hands up! What? No, man, just crawl out! You get out, keep your hands where we can see them, okay? Keep your hands up, be straight flies. Walk backwards towards me. Keep walking, please the other way. Stop right there.
What else is Connor doing?
Matt, can you put him in this car?
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, I'll get Russell.
I saw it.
It's 135.
Take on the top.
Oh, you rock.
You rock, hell.
No way.
Hell yeah.
No way.
Oh yeah.
going on here? Suddenly the chopper came and CHP on the roof of someone. What the fuck? Suddenly everybody came. What the fuck? It came out of nowhere. I guess I was at the right. Ooh.
Don't walk in the street. Get out of the street. I'm not gonna change it. Don't walk.
Why are you guys following her? What are you guys following her for? Please don't hurt her. She might be having a panic attack. He might be having a panic attack.
Yeah, we're gonna take her to the hospital right now.
No, not. Help me!
Wait, which hospital? Because over here they have patients with disease.
Yeah,
With-
they're everywhere, man. I can't tell you where I'm taking her.
All right, all right.
Family or something.
I just want to be fine, you know. She looks in distress and not fine.
What's that?
She looks in distress, like a panic attack. So,
Yeah, well, that's why we're gonna take her to the hospital.
all right,
Get her checked out.
all right.
Appreciate
Is there any way I could get all your names?
Nah, bro.
No? Just for the...
I am right here obeying the law and bowing. I understand.
You don't know me very well, do you? Sunglasses. I think they closed down. It's one corner of Angle and Arrow. Hey, going officers.
Right, how are you, man?
I'm fine. I'm good. Great. It's a nice day. Great. It's a nice day.
Die down a little bit more, but
It actually woke me up in the wind in the morning. My car fell. I know it sucks. Wow.
That's his fucking noggin.
Large groups of people, you know how it works, right? They're always cool on one.
Are you guys scared of the virus? Do you think it's real?
Already had it, dude.
You had it?
I beat it, man. I'm a survivor.
I never had it.
Hardest.
I've been to
30
jail.
hours of my
I've been to
life.
jail 5
I
times.
flew once.
I've been to jail 5 times. Never had it.
It's not bad.
Been with that. I wish it was more on me, Ortiz.
What's up, Al? Oh.
What's up?
What's up, Al?
Can't see your face though. The shadow.
Sonny.
Oh, Zani. How do you spell it? P-I-S? Got it. I've been trying to figure out how to spell it. That's not good, man. It's a female too. Did we use anything you say against you?
If you're gonna intervene in our calls, you're gonna be a part of the call. Just film all you want.
I'm trying to.
Unfortunately, can't drive right now.
How can I trust you guys to take her home?
We're taking her home right now.
How can I worse?
Offering advice to somebody who doesn't need it. I'll cover your seat
A fight or what?
No, he just wants a ride.
Is he handcuffed? No, he's getting arrested. What in the world? What are you doing on Monday?
overtime, baby.
Really?
How do you know his work schedule?
Al, how do you know that? He knows what's going on. He doesn't know work schedule.
He's the guy who saves the day.
That's right.
You know who I saw? Excuse me. I'm a driver.
What's
up?
Mustache man. Thank you, mustache man.
Hey,
Yeah,
you
like
gotta make
it.
sure this young lady right here is protected while she walks inside. Make sure that the door is locked. Can you make sure she's okay?
What do I have to do? Give me a gun.
Okay. John.
Give that man your gun,
I'm not gonna put her on the spot. Yeah.
Alright,
No, buy me a beer.
We're all buttoned up for the night.
Buy me a beer. I drink it up and I. Oh, they have the combat, huh? They have the.
Alright, Al. Tomorrow's gonna be a match.
Better night?
Will you be out here? I was
Yeah.
proactive for you tonight, Al.
Every night. I seen you spotlighting me.
I don't even know.
The other time you guys tried to pull me over. I was going to a crash in Rialto. You guys don't fool me.
Your middle brake light's out, Al.
No?
The middle one.
But you're gonna.
Spoiler. Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. My Honda? Huh?
Who's your Red Ron? How do you know about Red Ron?
Tell your friends. Tell your buddies what tell your buddy their story. Summer,
Oh, Summer told you about it?
kick his ass. Arresting a guy.
Gave you a drink over at that
I put-
Palmetto and Foothill when you were recording us on that felony stop.
You gave me
with
a
the blue
drink?
car. Yeah.
When was that?
Officer Wyrick talked to you and everything. You were like,
Oh,
super
no
nice.
one gave me a drink.
Oh, okay.
The other time I
They
gave
were-
a drink, it's a homeless guy and right.
Whatever it is.
The
Well,
guy
okay.
said you didn't do anything.
What do you mean we didn't do anything? What
The
do we
guy right there was.
You guys ride along now? You speak Spanish, Al?
Yeah. Why are you guys arresting this lady?
What's going on? He's gonna get some paperwork too.
Alright, so go ahead.
Fine, security.
That's what it's all
I went to the hall.
I just don't
14525. I'm reading the license plate. Why would I steal anything of it?
You've been arrested before, so
Nothing.
I don't know you.
I'm not a robbery suspect.
I don't know.
You don't have to know. What a bummer. Hardly working and working hard.
What's that?
Hardly working and working hard. Hardly working or working hard.
Hardly working. See that thing right there?
What?
That thing was towing a motorhome. A little car.
That little thing was towing a
Towing a
motorhome?
motorhome.
No way.
Yeah, yours.
All right. See ya.
See you later.
Hey! Don't hurt her, you son of a bitch. Leave her alone. Don't hurt her, man.
No, you're pushing people.
Don't push too fast. Don't push too fast.
She's my daughter. Hold on.
Don't push too fast. Don't push too fast. I don't know what happened, but it's out of control. That's it. That's it. Hey, go.
Was this the cop? Hey, haven't seen you in a while. You remember you told me you're a lady cop? Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Big ass car, huh, for a party?
Yeah.
The hell's so funny with these guys? The hell's so funny? I even see when you have the fucking helicopter for 10 fucking minutes, obviously something's going on.
Wow, you sound so upset. It's nothing, man. But they didn't.
It's nothing.
They're still gonna cut it.
Of course it's nothing. It's never nothing. This goose in action again. I'm glad to see him.
I know, but you just gotta get out of the road.
Good to see you. It's been a long time. Was this white? I know it's an elderly man. I know that.
What's up, Al?
What's up?
Simple. You got your customer to switch out with them? Or you want me to just take them over there?
I was supposed to be gas a freaking gas station. I can't believe I missed it. I thought I saw lights. I went all the way to freaking Valley.
Well, you gotta be faster than that, Al. You gotta be quicker than that, you know?
What is this, a break-in or what?
Farm commercial.
What is a break-in?
Something like that.
Hands up, back straight up. This is out of my voice. Back and go. Back and go. Sound of my voice. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Part 2 coming. All right, getting better. I don't think in my eye. They need a bill.
Yeah.
2,000 bucks. I don't think it'll cover 2,000 bucks. But I'm back at my bike doing what I do. I just have to come back. Usually I'm here to the checkpoint, but like, oh man, like checkpoints. That. I think that's it. I think I got it. What's up, Ortiz? Anyone here again? Let's. Hey, Randy. It wasn't an ambulance, come on. Because I know I have more activity here. You know what I mean?
Alright, we're taking off, Al. See you on the next one.
No tickets?
I'm not giving him a ticket.
Huh, you're always nice, lady. Whatever your name is. It looks like that. It's like a work truck. So. Bye. Have a nice day. Yeah. I'll be there soon. More of the chucking stuff going on. Hey.
Hey, bud, you want a water? Probably not gonna work. Would you like some water?
No.
You don't want any water?
No.
Okay. It's warm out.
Serve and protect.
Hello. up, man?
Hello.
Nice shirt.
Oh, thanks. It's my-
You got gloves already, huh? You like to search, yeah, have it search.
No, it's not for search. It's just for, you know, we touch people with cooties all day long. So, yeah, just for my
Same thing, like you come
my
to this church.
safety.
Oh, you come to this church, huh? Yeah. Baker, you come to this church, huh?
Hey, where's this gonna be? So haunted.
Yep. Last question, sir.
Yep. No crime, no answers, you know. No questions.
In the neck and beat up.
Get off the driveway.
Get out of the driveway, Mark. You're gonna block traffic, Mark.
SoCal. I was arrested 2 days ago for doing nothing at all at the protest, you know.
Oh no.
Yeah. They took that right here. I'm just trying to get the I'm gonna try to get the number.
Okay, hey, you can record. Just go across the street.
Where's the crime tape?
Go across the street.
Where's the crime tape? Just leave me alone. I do Fontana, but I'm out here in the area, right? Okay. You guys, are you guys twins? Huh? Are you guys twins?
Yeah, you would think so, right?
See what your officers are doing? You too. Just because story.
Are you doing it for school or for your own personal project?
Personal.
Personal?
Yeah.
What are you trying to, what kind of work are you trying to get out of it?
Yeah.
Very concerned, so like I said, you're more than welcome to stand here and film. Just,
You know.
well, I know it's a little strange, you know. I mean, you understand it's not the norm, right?
Well, it's normal to be in public and taking pictures in public, you know.
I know. But you just
It's my
have
First
a
Amendment.
Overwhelming interest in the police vehicles, and I just wanted to see if there was a reason why.
Well, it's Hey, hello.
How you doing?
This again. There's my thumbnail. Say cheese, man.
Done, bro. All the way. I'm done, bro. Sit down. Sit down. Now, let me go. Sit down. Right now.
Holy cow. What is this? What's happening here? That's the part. Gotta get that.
You kick the back of my door again, I'm gonna put you in a hobble. You understand? You got caught. Suck it the fuck up.
Oh, fucking ass.